Welcome back to the Data Visionary Hub. You've made it to day 7 of our 30-day journey to building a successful career in data analytics. Today, we're doing something special. A weekly recap of all the amazing topics we covered this week, plus a Quanda session where I'll answer some of your fantastic questions. Let's dive in. This week was all about laying a solid foundation for your data analytics career. Let's quickly revisit what we learned. First, on day 1, we kicked off with an introduction to data analytics, exploring what it is, why it's important, and how to decide if it's the right career for you. Second, on day 2, we discussed the top 5 tools every data analyst should learn, like Excel, SQL, Python, Tableau, and Power BI, with practical examples of how they're used. Third, on day 3, we walked through the Data Analytics Roadmap, a step-by-step guide to mastering the skills you need to go from beginner to pro. Fourth, on day 4, we explored the 5 must-have skills to succeed as a data analyst, covering both technical and soft skills like communication and problem-solving. Fifth, on day 5, I shared free resources and tips on how to learn SQL, one of the most in-demand skills in data analytics. Lastly, on day 6, we dove into the world of data cleaning, explaining why it's the most important skill for any data analyst and sharing real-world examples. It's been a packed week full of insights and actionable tips, and I'm so proud of you for sticking with it. Give yourself a pat on the back. You're one step closer to your dream career. Now let's move on to the Quanda. Question 1. Which tool should I learn first if I'm just starting out? Great question. I recommend starting with Excel. It's widely used and beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough for advanced data analysis. Once you're comfortable, move on to SQL for working with databases and Python for more complex tasks. Question 2. How much time does it take to learn data analytics? That depends on your background and commitment, but with consistent effort, you can build a strong foundation in 3 to 6 months. Focus on one skill at a time, and don't rush. Practice is key. Question 3. What's the best way to practice data cleaning? Start by downloading open data sets from platforms like Kaggle or data.gov. Work on identifying and fixing missing values, duplicates, and inconsistencies. Tools like Python's Pandas library or Excel are great for this. Keep the questions coming in the comments. I'll be answering more throughout the week. Next week, we're diving deeper into technical skills, including Python basics, creating visualizations in Tableau, and building your first SQL query. You don't want to miss it. Here's what you can do to stay on track. 1. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. 2. Share your biggest takeaway from this week in the comments. I'd love to hear what resonated with you. 3. Don't forget to like and share this video to help others kickstart their data analytics journey. Thanks for tuning in to the Data Visionary Hub. I'll see you tomorrow as we start week 2 of this incredible journey. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.